Hello everyone. In this today lecture, I will share you some related important topic like index array. Index array in PLSQL is a very important concept that you have to make by yourself. So I will share you how you can make the indexing array. Okay. This is the question and the same concept I applied also on above, but I will code it and one by one I will also explain how I am doing that and performing that task. What is the things? Firstly, array is important concept like three type of array: nested array. Firstly, index array that associative array also we are calling to that. Second, your nested array, and third, your V array. Okay, so this is the create and associative array means first type of array we have to create index array, character data type and index it by number and perform the below operation. So firstly, I will create a nested associative array. So type on the things like empty type that and type. This is the collection like collection name is a table of where 2 is 100, where 2 is 100, uh, index by indexing it already declared we have to index it by number. So where get to index by pls integer pls integer. Okay, and then I will make e dot type empty type and then declaring the begin. So inside it I will declare this a type data type on the indexing number one like mm, John. I'm putting here second a type is sorry, second a type on the index number two. Right, I'm putting Mohan. In third a type I'm putting Rohan, and fourth E type I'm putting Sita. Anything that you want to give name here. Okay. So after that, this is the associative indexing array. That is, it is not available in the data. Like we cannot store in the database. Second concept is we can also give it indexing number instead of another nested and v array. We can't give the indexing there. And also this is the simplest data type that I'm just putting as a collection after the defining a collection type of that. And also in the indexing array and in nested array we can delete any index, but in the v array we cannot delete. Second thing that is also important is in this here we have to properly mention we are using the array associative array nested array because during the declaration time we do not have to give a lot of the limitation of data type because whenever we are making a lot of data, so we are not sure that how much data we will putting inside it. So we array, that's the thing, we array is a limited using. Now I'm deleting anything like I'm taking a variable also here. So v variable is a number we can take for the looping condition. And after that, I'm just e type deleting any column, that is third I'm deleting. And after that again I'm coming back to the e type of the first part. Okay, and then I'm using for loop here for v in first to e type dot count that I'm just dbms. The same as above that, I'm just putting here that is count, or we can say it is a last output line, that e type indexing is v. Okay, and e type indexing is v. So this is the very simplest version that I'm putting here, and also we can give v type is here, and after that in v we can give here is e type dot next v, and then ending the loop inside it, and after that end. So it is the simplest thing that I'm performing here, that is 10 value inside it. So we have to give the 10 value. So you give the 10 value e type, any data type like 10 value 5, then e type delete the third element from the deleted is already, then delete seventh element. You can also mention here like e type dot delete, instead of I'm just giving fifth element I'm deleting, and after that display the data from the array. So I'm here displaying the data and ending the disk. So this is very simple. I didn't take the 10 element inside. I just took 5 element. You can take 10 elements also, and here you don't have to limit yourself that you take only the integer indexing. You can also take the varchar indexing here. Okay, so this is the first concept. Second, same is second nested array. So inside the nested array, you have just declare the nested array, and type amt type nested array. Amt is just give type is a table of varchar to is 100, and indexing we don't have give to their side. Just putting here array of data type and perform operation, and after that t I'm just making, so empty type, and this is the mp. This is the declaration form of the, and we can take a v number, a variable inside it, and same concept which is I applied already above. So you can just put, this is the only syntax that you have to understand of the array nested array. Type emp is so table of v array. Here is stated that 4 element I have or 10 element I have. So according that I have to put here and whole 10 operations. So this is the thing that I did. Same thing then, and amp and emp this. So this is the syntax of this, and v number I'm taking for loop addition after that. And same concept which I applied already above here, so you can apply here also. So I think you got the point and understood the concept, how I perform the task. So this is the simplest version for all the thing. If you are not able to perform the thing properly, so you can just tell the thing like t, the t I take here t first variable. I'm just giving same as above, that same. You can just copy here. You do not copy same concept because copy, if you are doing the copy, so you will not able to learn properly. Okay, so I'm not also copy here. I'm just putting values here. T2 Rohan, as much as the variable you are taking here. So according the thing you can form the task. Also give um, Priya, and these the things, and after that you have to perform the delete operation also here like t delete. I delete third row, and after that v number is here coming to t dot first. Okay, and applying the for loop for v in first to uh, t dot last, and then a loop condition and a dbms output dot output. So, one thing you remember here, why in the first, like in the last concept, like what is the area we cannot perform the delete operation because it's not allowing the delete operation. So that also important factor that you have to understand. I also provide this in PPT concept, and I will make the PPT and I will share definitely a video with also related the concept of the concept like array and nested array v array. Okay, so it is a basic point that you have to understand, and also applying some looping condition how you can do. So all the things that I trigger and everything I will definitely share with you how you can perform the task on set. Till now it's hope you got the point if you are not getting properly. So firstly the Google and try some concept, and after that perform things by yourself and then understand these. You also take this example and try in your way. How can you understand that? Hope you got the point. If you have any doubt, I will page these questions on the chat bot if you need for extra practice. For now, it's. I hope you got this thing. Thank you.